Okay, this is Rich Maldonado, the producer of Crypto Kings, and I want to go over the LiveDeck features. And I want to go through this quick enough so you could see why it's called LiveDeck. It's live because it's always updating itself. It's an AI generated live deck for movies and films. So hopefully we get to see here. See, it's populating here. It's populating there. It's all in real time right now. Demographics, financial forecast. Look at this. Theatrical releases. How many theaters? Projected gross revenue. Right here, rate of return, and look at it. It's populating right here at 216% on the first monies in, which are called hard monies. Expected case performance, it's right here on 3,000 domestic screens, wide release. So you see it's populating, the numbers are populating. This is why it's called a live deck. And the rate of return right here on this 686% on a $120 million film. If you do the math, it's about $800 million in the box office. So if you see these numbers, how they move right here, see budget and box office, $52 million budget, $164 million domestic returns, 352 million worldwide. Again, the live deck. Um, it's done these cast renditions of the actors in their roles. It does a synopsis. If you do these, toggle these buttons right here, it goes into the synopsis. There's B-roll in the background, B-rail, and for the cast, all the vitals. Again, another casting of what the movie's going to look like. And as we keep going, there's a lot of immersive information in here. It's all interactive. It is bar none the best pitch deck uh, available for Hollywood filmmakers in that are part of the DGA, PGA, and there's the lead character Satoshi Nakamoto. If you guys can guess who that actor is, again, lead roles and actors. The life that assigns the most bankable stars per character. That right here, for example, is Becky G playing Rosa Gonzalez. The AI picked that as most bankable, most available person for that role. Right here, it's Patrick Wilson playing Uncle Tony. That's the actor named, I forget his name, but he plays Sheldon on The Big Bang Theory. So he's one of the four horsemen. This is the second of one of the four horsemen. This is the third character of one of the four horsemen. And the first one was Idris Elba, that was above as the lead of the four horsemen. Here we go with location scenarios that give you a good feel of the movie, where it's going to be filmed at. Again, this is all pitch deck stuff. These are photos of locations, how the set design is going to look like. These are vehicles that are going to be featured in the film, and they're all high-end cars, exotic Lamborghinis and Ferraris and Rolls Royces, everything that the world of crypto kings represents in Bitcoin. Lamborghini dealership. These are pictures of the cars, a Lamborghini Urus, military jet planes. This is all transportation, bullet train. All this stuff will be featured in the movie. Yachts, any mode of transportation. Again, private jets. There's a Lambo right there for the lead character. This is the Mulholland Drive scene. Lamborghini versus a Bugatti Veyron, $3 million car. Producer Grant Gilmore, There I Am, Rich Maldonado, the creator of Crypto Kings. And again, the movie poster here. This LiveDeck is very, very, really top stuff. And there's the word LiveDeck right there. So there we go. That is LiveDeck to its full. So again, the opportunity will be right here. If anyone wants to get in the film industry with me and do this film financing, the door's wide open. We will feature LiveDeck as our production tool, offering production services as CK Film Company, and we will be utilizing LiveDeck as an efficient tool to gauge profitability and script coverage, anything for development, all the way to funding. We can do this with LiveDeck. All right, that's it for right now.